All right, all right. What's going on, people? This is Raymond Edwards. Matter of fact, we ain't even gonna just say Raymond Edwards. It's just gonna be Ray and June. So this is
Ray and
Ray,
June, or Ray
Ray and
Ray and
June.
nephew, something like that.
Yeah,
Ray and
yeah,
June.
yeah. Um, look, this is how we doing it from now on. Y'all can get used to our faces because we about to do it. You either riding with us or you not.
Let's ride.
All right, let's get it going. All right, so look, the first one I was gonna go over, which just caught my eye as soon as I put it on this called Nextera. And I'm about to pull it up for you. Did I share screen? No.
No.
All right. Here we go. All right, you can see it.
I see it coming through. All right,
All right. Cool,
that's
cool.
good.
Let's see. What's the ticker for this? Ticker for this one is NEE. Boom.
Slide the screen up.
Gotcha. I'm waiting for this. Okay, the rest of it to come in. So next era energy. Let me show you this real fast. I went there. It's a Next Era Energy is the world's largest utility company, and we're proud to be built and based in America. So it's like one of them clean energy companies, and from what I'm seeing, just from that right there, and Biden just getting into the office, if we look at these numbers and these numbers looking right, this might be a really good play here. Okay, I got to go back to the screen I was at. My bad. Okay, here we go. So let's pull up the financials for this company, see what they looking like. Hmm. All right, so just looking at the revenue from just like we did yesterday from 2016 to now, or 2019. From 2016, it was at 16 million. 2017, 17, it went down a little bit. 2018 to 16, shot up to 19. You know what I'm saying? And right now, I mean, they're still calculating, but it's at 18. But it's still that's not the ending numbers. Um, operating income, operating income is higher this year, but yeah, it is. Okay, I thought I was looking at the wrong thing. It's higher this year, but if they're making money, they could definitely have a lot of different things in the mix that would make the operating income go up. Um, earnings per share Earnings per share from 2016 was 1.56, 2017 2.85, 2018 3.47, and 2019 1.94. I'm not really sure what made it change, but there is still a gain there. At least like the one we looked at yesterday. What was that? That Alpha company. Everything was in the
Mm-hmm.
negative. So you still
Yep.
making money with them. Um, Operating cash flow from 2016, that was at 6,336, 6,413, 2017, 2018, 6,593, and boom, shot up to 8,155. And right now, without even completing the numbers, at 8,543. That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Free cash.
The
Let's
cap spending is somewhat in the negative.
working capital. Where you at?
Yeah, that cap
Oh,
spending.
okay. I see it. I see it. Yeah, it's at negative. What? Actually,
I
right now
don't know
it's
what's
at
going on there because it went from the twos to the fours, then dropped down to the threes to the fours. It could be them paying off debt and putting the spending in more debt
mm-hmm. What?
because they're positive in free cash flow. So
Yeah, we're gonna have to check that out and look into that. See what's that about. Let's see. Their net margin is at 21.43 currently. Their asset turnover is at I said 0.17. Right now it's at 0.15. Return on assets is 3.24. Now that's good. I mean, it was higher in 2018. If we can get back up to the numbers, that'd be even better. And return on capital, that's still positive. So that's 7.00. That went down again from 2018. I don't know what happened between 2018 to now, but we definitely have to look into that. But look, let me look at this chart for you. We're gonna do a little breakdown of overall. How the same way we be looking at it in the mornings. So we gave them that. Let me see. Let's go to I think Yahoo Finance. What is that? Oh, am I still sharing my screen here?
Your screen not showing now. It's just you.
I think I hit the button. Yeah, that's cool because now at least I know where it's at. Okay, here we go.
All right, it's up now.
All right, so this is them from August. Say like August. We're gonna push it back to the 21st. I mean to the 20th. Their low was 68. Over the last,
I like the movement.
Yeah, you see it, right?
It's a good move. It's all uptrend to me.
Yeah, and like right now, they're above currently since what is that, December? In this December, they started maybe boom, right here, right before Christmas. They were ever since Christmas, they have been above the 20-day moving average, the 30-day moving average. This is the 30, this is the 20. I didn't put the 20. I got 30, I got the 50-day, and I got the 200-day moving average. And as you can see, they have been climbing ever since. And right now, it's showing that they are a little overbought right now. Look at the RSI. People are buying it up. You know what I'm saying? So that's eventually going to come down and even out. But for right now, they're hitting it. They're hitting it all cylinders. Let me save this to my my watch list, because this is something I definitely want to watch. Now let's do what we do. You know how we be doing in the morning. Let's see how we could if we were doing options. Let's see what type of options they doing out here real fast. What is that? NEE, right? NEE. Okay, so let's see the first one as an option they have for February 19th. So right now the price is at 84. Let's see what the open interest and the volume is. 84. All right, so in the money, seem like the biggest one is what, $80, and the volume is at 102.
Yeah, I guess you wait for a dip.
Yeah, but that's people buying it in the money. They still making it, but look how much they had to spend for that in the money today.
Yeah,
they had to spend $550 for that. I mean, you get that move on there, that's pretty good and everything, but man, I don't know. You know, look, people, this is real talk right here. I'm not trying to get into a play like that right now. $500 something. I'm trying to build up my capital to be playing with money like this. And this ain't in my interest right now. It's in everybody else's interest, but not mine.
Yeah.
So here we go. Look,
you gotta be a baller to get into that one.
You feel me? And they be buying. Look, I just want to show you this. I just want to show you how this runs. This is what I'll be watching sometime in the morning. Look, this is the people buying it currently, and this is people selling it. So right now, you got somebody that wants to buy this at $84.62. They want 100 contracts, right? And you got somebody that want to sell it for $84.69 at 500 contracts. Now, this right here is going to hit. Once that hit, that 500 contracts, that's going to make it dip a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
But this right here be changing fast all day, especially in the morning. Morning time, you'll see this changing like in and out, in and out, in and out. But also, you can
Crazy.
tell when you're looking at this, you can kind of tell the direction is going because you'll see bigger numbers here. People trying to get in or people trying to sell early. So you can kind of pay attention to the trend of what's going on at that moment and know like, oh, all right, the
Look, it just
seller's winning.
switched.
Yeah, you see that, right? The seller's
Mm-hmm.
winning right now. You know what I'm saying? So with the sellers winning, you might get that little upside. But then once you see a switch, you can let me catch that downside. But yeah, this is what I be watching. I was watching it. I was just sitting there mesmerized this morning. But okay, right now, this let me say if I would look for the easiest play for me to get into, if I was looking at it, uh we try to play them fives, right? So this 85 dollar call at $230. It's a lot of open interest on that, and it's a lot of volume.
Mm-hmm.
That's most likely where we would have went if we had that. If we ain't got that, and we looking for a safer one with a less buy-in,
Come on down to probably like 105.
you feel me? We're gonna start bouncing that way. 65, you got 65? Yeah, but do I want to get more for my money? All right, so we're tested at the 95. And here we go. $20 a contract right there. Now we paying $20 a contract. I'm gonna use my phone real fast just to make this easy because I don't see all the other numbers on. Wait, I think let me see something if we click on this. Nah, I don't do it. So I'm gonna use my phone to just give y'all the numbers on that, the delta and the theta on that. So this we would do that. We would look at this. We're using all utensils anything that we can to make these plays. All
Just to
the
make a play.
information. That's right. All right. So what was the date on that? That was the first date came up, right, John?
I think that was February, right?
February 19th. All right, what's that?
Yeah.
95? All right, so 95, it's at 23 on RobinHood right now. That's what it's going for. So at 23, the delta on that is $7.86, and the theta is at $1.64. The gamma is at $2.19, so that means it'll go up. Every dollar to go up, that means it'll go up $2.19. And the theta, that means that's what you'll be losing every day as it continues to go. So that was not too bad, but you want something with a lower theta. But the reason that theta is so high is because of the time frame. We got to show the time frame on this, But this is how we be shooting up in the morning. Then we looked at the chart as you guys seen. We got the Yahoo, and then we went into bar charts. You know what I'm saying? And we trying to see where we want to get in.
That's how it is. The process.
Yes, it is. We look at the open interest, we look at the volume, and basically we trying to play where everybody else is playing. If you notice, let me see. Boom. The higher the number, the higher numbers are on the fives. 80, 85, 95, the 100, 105, 110. Man, look, it even started skipping up ones. It went straight to 105, 110. But this is all we do, man. We be like this every morning, just running down like, hey, check this out, check that out, and when we just do it, and we decide if we're gonna make it or not. This is how we start building our capital, little by little. But again,
by little,
just let you guys know we are not financial advisors. So anything you get on here, you got to do your own research. You know what I'm saying? Don't be trying to say that Ray and June told you to boy anything. We didn't tell you about nothing. That's your money. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, exactly. That's with anything you do, any information that even if you get information from a financial advisor, it's always good for you to do your own homework and look up the company, because he can tell you something or she can tell you something, and then something might happen that they might not know with the company. They might sell the company might go bankrupt within the time frame I'm telling you, and then guess what? You end up investing because you thought his information was good, and then you lose your money.
Right.
So it's always worth doing your due diligence.
Mm-hmm. I seen a
Hey, I want at least if I lose money, I know I lost it.
That's right. Can't blame it on nobody but yourself. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And matter of fact, if you listen to somebody else just because of what they said without doing your own research, you still can't blame nobody but yourself, because you didn't even try to take the extra steps to find out the information. And matter of fact, we just showed you some extra steps that you could do to get your own information. Go in there, start picking it
Basically,
up.
just gave you the process.
Yeah. So if you don't feel like taking that extra step with your money, then hey, that's on you. At the end of the day, it's on you. So
It's only so many things you can do.
it's 5 o'clock somewhere. Yo. Pop that shit now. The door open.
Yo, I'm on
I got you. You know what? All right. So look, that was NEE next energy. What's that? Energy. Yeah, next era energy. You want to do one more? You want to save next one for next video? June.
Yeah, what you say?
You want to do one more? You want to say next one for the next video?
We can save it.
All right. So that's with that being said, guys, look. Control your day. Don't let your day control you. Do your own research and go ahead and get this money. June.
Word. Peace.
Peace. I forgot how to stop sharing.